Hey, have you heard of PAM in Linux?
Yes, I have. It's a security module that dynamically authenticates users to applications in a Linux system.
That's correct. Did you know that understanding PAM configuration files is crucial for system administrators?
No, I didn't know that. Why is it so important?
A misconfiguration can lead to partial or complete system lockout, emphasizing the importance of mastering PAM file definitions.
Oh, I see. How can we check if a program is PAM-aware?
To use PAM, an application needs to be PAM-aware. We can check if a program is PAM-aware by inspecting its compilation with the PAM library using the LDD command.
That's good to know. How can we configure PAM in Linux?
The main PAM configuration file is /etc/pam.conf, while the /etc/pam.d/ directory contains configuration files for each PAM-aware application or service. The syntax for the main file involves rules written on a single line, and comments are preceded by hashtag marks.
I see. What are management groups and control flags in PAM?
PAM divides authentication tasks into 4 management groups: account, authentication, password, and session. Each group manages different aspects of a user's request for a restricted service. Control flags such as requisite, required, sufficient, and optional determine the behavior of the PAM API in case of module success or failure.
Interesting. Can you give an example of how to use PAM to restrict root user access via PAM?
Sure. We can demonstrate how to use PAM to restrict root user access to SSH and login services by employing the PAM_listfile.so module. Follow the steps outlined in the tutorial to create rules in /etc/pam.d/sshd and /etc/pam.d/login.
That's helpful. How can we configure advanced PAM rules?
For more complex PAM rules, you can use valid control flags in a specific syntax. The configuration file supports various actions such as ignore, bad, die, OK, done, n, an unsigned integer, and reset. Understanding these rules allows you to write intricate PAM configurations tailored to your system's needs.
Great. Are there any additional resources to explore?
Explore the pam.d-man page for detailed information on PAM configurations. Additionally, refer to the Linux-PAM documentation for a comprehensive understanding of the configuration file syntax in PAM modules.
Thanks for the information. This was very informative.
You're welcome. PAM is a powerful tool, and mastering its advanced features can greatly enhance the security of your Linux system. Happy configuring!